started sneezing. Like, just kept sneezing. So I figured I'd catch some on film if it wants to happen again. But oh my gosh, my nose is super itchy today. Oh my gosh. Woo! Partook of some cannabis the other day, and it's irritated my nose. I used to partake in that a lot, but kind of stopped. And so I just had a little bit the other day, and I think my eyes feel itchy and my ears are itchy inside. So I might be allergic to it. Dang it. Well, just have to clean that up. Let me fix this angle. It's not the best angle, but it is what it is. This is a better one. That's all I got for now. Oh. Phew.